The sales dashboard of IQShopfloor application. Here you can see the KPIs related to the sales happens this particular year or this month, this or today. You can see overall pending invoices which are still open, or the unpaid invoices. You can also see the top 5 products sold. Also, this gives you the overall essence of the sales happen through this particular application. To register a new sale, you can directly click on new start new sale, and it will take you the POS actually. So first of all, you have to log in into the POS when the first time you will open the POS module. This because this is a widget, installable widget which we have created, which can be installed into any Zoho Creator application, and it can be configured according to that particular application, and it will work in any Zoho Creator application actually. Right. So once you log in, from there it will start showing up all the products which you are having in your inventory. You can filter the product by categories, and you can directly search the product as well and add it to the cart. So to add that particular product to the cart and make a sale, you can directly click on a particular product, right, and you can click multiple times and it will update the quantity as well. This is one of the standard way of using it, but we recommend to use it with a inbuilt scanner which we have created actually. So we have created a mobile scanner which you can use by using a link for IQ POS Scanner.netlify.app. We'll share the link actually, and let's see the scanner action in scanner part in action. So this is the link, the IQ POS Scanner.netlify.app, where you can go and you'll be able to log in using the same credentials. So once you log in there, the app will show, the IQ POS app will show all the registered application which you have registered into this. So you can just click on the IQ POS application. So this is I'm showing from my mobile actually, and the application will then start showing up the scanner which you can use to add item to the inventory actually. So I'm having some items in our database. So in our products, there is a product list which is having some barcodes and QR codes. You can directly go there and scan the item there, and it will right away be added to the cart which you are having actually. Likewise, if I want to add more item, I can just scan it directly from here, and that particular product will be added to a cart which is open in our laptop. Right? So this mobile app is in my hand, and the laptop screen is there on the counter which is taking the order, and you are actually making the scan from your mobile, which is directly adding that particular product to your cart. One more example, I'm scanning this cotton half t-shirt, and it has actually added that product in our cart right away. Right? And here in the app actually you can see more detail about that particular scan. If for example, say I'm scanning this bar, I'm trying to scan this Bode headphone. So it has actually, in the app you can say that it is showing up the detail of that specific headphone. In the mobile app, you can also see all the items which you have scanned, and you can update its inventory, its quantity directly from here, and you can see that quantity is actually being updated on real time on your dashboard as well. So once you're done with the scanning from your mobile app, you can directly go to your laptop screen and continue the order directly from here actually. Right. So here the next thing which you need to do is select a user. If the user is not there, you can directly add a new customer directly from there. So once you select the customer and you have already added all the products which you need, you have confirmed the quantity, you can increase or decrease the quantity or modify the quantity directly from here. Once you are done with that, you can directly proceed with the placement of order. If you want any discount, you can apply the discount directly from here as an absolute discount, so 100 rupees or 1000 rupees, or you can directly apply the discount in percentage as well. Once you're done with that, then you can click on proceed to pay, and there you will be able to see two modes for payment. One is cash, another one is UPI. This is the main feature we wanted to show you, the UPI payment, where you can accept the payment directly in UPI via UPI as well actually. So what it will do is you will choose the UPI, and when you are making payment through UPI, you can actually, we have provided the test mode or sandbox mode as well, and if you want to actually make payment, you can make it toggle the live button, and it will actually deduct the amount from your account. To utilize this, we have actually make the sandbox version as well, so that you don't have to actually pay the amount as well. Sandbox option, you will be able to take the feel of UPI transaction within a Zoho Creator application without spending your actual money actually. So let's see this in action. So you choose the payment mode, right, and there then you can adjust the payment amount which you are going to pay right away. So here we have provided the partial payment option as well. So if you don't want to pay the whole amount right away, you can edit this, and so you just want to pay this much right away, and later you can pay and place the order right away. Right, so once you click on pay, it will actually contact Razorpay, and since it is in test mode you can't scan the QR code, because if you try to scan the QR code from PhonePe or any app, it will say it is invalid because it is test mode, so it won't allow you to scan and pay. Right, here you can add any random UPI ID, or you can try your UPI ID as well, and it will emulate, since it is sandbox mode, it will emulate that you are receiving payment, you are making payment, it will receive it, and once it is successfully received, it will actually redirect back to our Zoho Creator application, and it will continue processing our order, and it will finally place the order which we have placed right now. Right, so you can see the payment has been successfully received here of 100 rupees. This was our grand total. The discount was applied, and we are having remaining amount here. Right, you can directly download the PDF directly from here. You can print the receipt directly from here. You can see the downloaded PDF right away, and this is the receipt which has generated. You can directly print that particular receipt as well. Right, and if you want to receive the rest of the amount, you can directly click on pay remaining amount, and you can repeat the whole procedure once again. You can receive it from cash or from UPI as well. Right, so this is the process for the whole order placement and payment capturing. Right, and if you'll go back to the sales dashboard, there it will show you that this particular customer is having this much amount pending, and this was made or executed this particular on this particular date. Right, so if you want to close this open invoices, you can click on that invoice, and it will eventually take you to the detail of that invoice, and from there you can receive the rest of the payment actually. Let's try that on UPI once again if you want, and if you make it live, it will actually the scanner on the PhonePe will actually work, and it will actually make the payment, so that will actually deduct the payment from your account. And sandbox mode, let's try to receive the whole thing. Again, same thing, it is simulating that you have received the notification and you are making payment. Once the payment is received, it will redirect back to our creator page, and now it can consider that's the whole invoice has been paid, and it has marked that particular invoice is paid actually. And if you go again, you will not find that invoice in the pending invoices actually. So this is how the whole dashboard works, and it will show you the, as we have considered, the top products sold, the open invoices, and it has showing you the KPIs always. So this is the demo for sales part. And you will also consider that the products which we have captured, the product contain the DIY holder as well, right? So you can see that today 6 quantity has been sold actually. So the invoice which is being placed, once it is processed, it is actually updating the inventory in the product in the product database as well.